Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make elderberry tea. First, gather your ingredients: dried elderberries, water, and any desired spices like cinnamon sticks or fresh ginger. It's crucial to use dried elderberries, as fresh ones can be toxic if not prepared correctly. For a standard batch, aim for about 1/4 cup of dried elderberries for every 2 cups of water. This ratio provides a good balance of flavor and potency. Next, combine your dried elderberries and water in a small saucepan. If you're adding spices, toss them in now. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat. Once it starts to bubble lightly, reduce the heat to low. Let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. This simmering process extracts the beneficial compounds and deepens the tea's flavor, creating a rich and aromatic brew. After simmering, remove the saucepan from the heat. Carefully strain the tea through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth into a mug or jar. Make sure to press down on the elderberries to extract every last drop of liquid before discarding the solids. You can enjoy your elderberry tea warm, perhaps with a touch of honey or lemon, or let it cool and chill it for a refreshing cold drink. It's delicious either way. To store any leftover elderberry tea, pour it into an airtight container and keep it in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh and potent for about 4 to 5 days. Elderberry tea is known for its potential to support wellness, especially during colder months. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to help you keep your home sparkling clean. Enjoy your homemade elderberry tea.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.